Namaskar, viewers. This is Nagbhushan, an astrologer who is teaching you scenes from the 1 week. This day I would like to say regarding 8th house in Vedic astrology. 8th house is most malefic house, considered the most malefic house in the Vedic astrology. Whoever the planets placed in that 8th house is considered as a malefic. Why? Because you see, 8th house is particularly house of secrecy, house of darkness, house of death, some people call, house of longevity, house of hidden wealth, and the things a little more we have to know means it is the house of the money which is coming after our death. That is what another thing you have to know. And one more thing that whoever there in the 8th house is considered as a malefic. Let us know which lord is which planet is good and which planet is bad in the 8th house. If the sun is there means I will not give a good health for you, lacking of eyesight, and also his immunity system is always bad. And come to the moon means the moon makes the mood swings here, and the person will become moody in the 8th house. Means to say, if is a malefic enough means to say is debilitated and is not placed well, and is the house where he was sitting, is not in a good place means we can call it as what we call some health related issues or blood related issues may arise due to the presence of moon in a 8th house. And if the Mercury is there means Mercury is always curious about here in the 8th house it is a mystery, so Mercury would like to know about the mysteries. So here Mercury feels very strong, and he is having a great knowledge over mystic sciences such as astrology, palmistry, many more. He will also do well, and those who are placed in the 8th house of Mercury will have a longevity also, means to say he may live for a long time. If the Mars is placed means here Mars is a planet where it is aggressive, and here is the darkness. The Mercury would like to go somewhere else, so means he is very fast enough, he is very aggressive enough to do things, but here he will get confused because the direction he can't able to know which direction he need to go. Due to that reason he may be having problem, and he is having a great anger that may lead to some happenings also. If Saturn is there in the 8th house means Saturn is okay, here Saturn feels very good here. If the scriptures say if the Saturn is situated in the 8th house, the people can have longevity, and the 8th house is a mystic and darkness and the fear. It is about the fear, and the Saturn only creates the fear in the minds of people. So that person only in the house of fear is there means the Saturn will not cause much fear in this house. And come to the Venus. Venus is also considered as what you call mixed. It will give mixed result. Why? Because he is the lord of yes, he is the guru of asuras, and also you know about Sanjivini Vidya. So the person who is knowing Sanjivini sitting in the house of death is rejuvenate the person. that is how we can say. And if it is malefic and some bad influence is there over him, means that person may get a what you call that person may get the disease relating to the secret parts or genitals, one can say. And come to the guru, means Jupiter. The Jupiter also feels bad here in the 8th house, and is not having any good result. He won't show the good result, but the one who is having Jupiter in the 8th house having a less tragic death, means to say the peaceful death can happen because of Jupiter presence in the 8th house. And come to the Rahu, means Rahu also creates hurdles and problems there in the 8th house. And if Ketu is there, means Ketu is also the malefic planet, is also creates many problems in the 8th house. And not always 8th house is good. If the Lord, the person, the 8th house is strong enough, means the person who is the Lord who is sitting in the 8th house is good enough, means to say, for example, Saturn is good in the 8th house, I told you, and that Saturn is situated in the Aries, that is the 8th house of the person, means Aries Saturn is debilitated sign of Saturn. So during that time even Saturn also not give proper results. Due to that reason that what you call that 8th house is also becomes malefic. If that Saturn happens to be 8th house in the Libra, means then that Libra is exaltation portion of the Saturn, so he may give very good results. That is how that 8th house reacts. Thank you very much viewers. I hope you understood what I told you, and please subscribe my channel and like, comment. Thank you. Namaskar.